Assalamu Alaikum, dear brothers and sisters. Today, we're going to know such a beautiful and pleasurable act that adorns our daily tasks. We live in this world of sun and shade, where sometimes we get happiness and sometimes we get troubles,
which have natural consequences on us.
Islam recognizes these natural facts and also guides us in this regard to cope with sufferings and pains. Supplications for well-being, as well as physical cheerfulness, laughter, and smiling are also helpful. Life becomes pleasant, comfortable, and full of peace and joy just because of these good habits, and a person has the opportunity to be thankful for the blessings of Allah. Moreover, despair, which is a poison for both the faith and the body of a person, also ends. If you look at the way of life of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, also had a blessed habit of always smiling. Narrated Ibn Jaz, I have not seen anyone who smiled more than the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. We should keep smiling all the time, according to the occasion. That is, when we meet someone, we should smile. When we see someone who is sick or distressed, we should smile while showing good manners. If we didn't have enough wealth for charity, then a smile is enough, as described in the hadith. Abu Dharr narrated that the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Your smiling towards the face of your brother is charity. Commanding good and forbidding evil is charity. Your giving directions to a man lost in the land is a charity for you. Your removal of a rock, a thorn, or a bone from the road is a charity for you. Your pouring what remains from your bucket into the bucket of your brother is a charity for you." A smiling face becomes the center of everyone's eyes. Smiling is an ornament of beauty, a high sign of morality and character. And a smile has attraction, magnetism, influence, and charm in it. Believe me, it doesn't cost a bit. So come and make this sunnah a part of your life from today, so that you can be successful in this world and the hereafter.